As an international credit card processor, security is one of the top priorities at Instabill. Not only do we want to keep our network safe, but we also want to protect our merchants and their customers. We store all of our passwords using a 256-bit AES bank-level encryption. This training video will explain how to use the password cryptography tool KeepassX. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your favorite browser and type in keepassx.org/DOWNLOADS. Once you've reached the KeepassX download page, you want to go ahead and select the most appropriate version for your operating system. When you click on the link, you're going to be taken to SourceForge. There, you'll save the file. While this file downloads, I just want to talk a little bit about encrypted passwords. Encrypted passwords prevent hackers from accessing your accounts, as well as allow you to remember more secure, longer passwords. Nothing is worse than an ex-girlfriend, husband, or former disgruntled employee breaching personal or business accounts and stealing your private data. We use KeepassX whenever possible to protect our accounts at work and at home. So our download should be just about complete. You want to go ahead and go to Start, Computer, Favorites, Downloads. And you see right there, there's our download. You're going to right click the zip file, extract all, and go ahead and make the path your home folder all the way to your home drive at C. Alright, now you can see here we've got our KeepassX executable that opened right up when you created it. You want to drag that particular icon and pin it to your taskbar. Now you can click on that icon. It's okay, we're going to run it. And then you click on File, New Database, or Control-N on your keyboard. You want to create a strong, memorable password. This password should be at least 16 characters with at least one space, one special character like the pound sign or the ampersand sign, one number, and one capital letter. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to have to repeat the password the very first time, so go ahead and do that too. Now, let's make an entry. So you can see here there's two groups that are already created, internet and email. You can create more groups if you like. You can have as many. You can even have group subgroups. To create a new group, let's just say it's not internet or email, you click on groups and then click on add new group. You can also just press Ctrl-G. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's just say we have an email address that we want to add. So you click on the group email, and then I'm going to add a new entry, and I'm just going to title this my new email and user at some email website.com, and then the URL would be http www.someemailwebsite.com, and then I'm going to have KeepassX actually generate the password for this email account for me. So you just click on the generate button, and you can select all kinds of different options here. I'm going to leave it as a default here with upper lowercase letters, numbers, exclude alike characters, and to ensure that passwords contain characters from every group. I'm going to make the length a little bit longer here. Let's just say you want to make the length 256 characters. KeepassX generates that for you. You're going to click on OK. and you've got your password all set, and you hit OK again, and it saves it. And one thing you should do before you go ahead and use that is you should save that database. So I'm going to save database, and it's going to go ahead and ask me for a name. It basically by default saves it in the same folder as your KeepassX installation, so that's probably where you should keep it. I'm just going to call it new data, and I'm going to save that. Now if you want to actually use this entry, you should click on this icon, and if you want to go to the website where it is, you would click on the URL. If you want to copy the username, you would hit Control B, and then if you want to paste the username, you would hit Control V. If you want to copy the password, you hit Control C, and if you want to paste the password, you hit Control V. One of the major benefits of using KeepassX is that you will only need to remember one password to log into your KeePass account. You'll also prevent malware and viruses from tracking your keystrokes when logging into accounts by copying and pasting username and passwords right from KeepassX into the login fields. For more information about KeepassX, visit keepassx.org FAQ, and for more information about us at Instabill, please visit Instabill, INSTABILL.com.